Hey! Good morning Monday! Maaga tayong nagising ngayon dahil maaga rin tayong nakatulog kagabi. Tara, simulan natin ang araw with good vibes, gratitude, and a little worship to fuel our soul. I began with praise, worship, and prayer, asking for wisdom, knowing I can't understand His word by my own strength alone. Ang word natin for today is Mark 8:36. What good is it for someone to gain the world, yet forfeit their soul? Sa Tagalog ay, ano ba ang mapapala ng isang tao kung mapapasa kanya man ang lahat ng bagay sa mundo, pero mapapahamak naman ang kaluluwa niya? Ang ganda, no? Imagine, araw-araw ka nagpapaka-pressure sa mundo na kailangan mo to, kailangan mo yan. But all these things, material things, financial things, are all temporary. Alam mo, hindi naman masama na may ginagawa ka o tayo para sa goal natin. Pero mahalaga na alam nating may mas mahalaga pa bukod doon. Yun ay seeking His kingdom first. Kasi gaya na lagi kong sinasabi na di naman natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo dito. So, para saan yung pagpapaka-pressure mo today kung di mo alam kung andito ka pa bukas? And lastly, I'm not doing this para ipakita na I'm holier than you or holier than others. This is not about me. It's all about Him, all about His glory, kung paano niya binago at babaguhin ang buhay ko. At ganun din yan sa'yo. Mahal ka ng Diyos, kapatid. Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all of these things shall be added unto you.
Pero church, believe me, God will provide. Philippians 4:19 says, and my God will supply every need of yours. Hindi ka iiwanan ng Panginoon. Lahat ng pangangailangan mo ay pagkakabot niya kung ikaw ay susunod.